If something feels too difficult, if it feels like not a challenge but a struggle, you're probably doing it wrong. And if you feel lost, you feel stuck, here's some advice you probably haven't heard. Just give up, quit, let it go, and see how that feels. If you feel relieved, if you feel happier, if you feel like a weight off your shoulders been lifted, well, guess what? You just found out the not only what you were doing, but maybe the way you were doing it was incorrect. There isn't always an easier path. There's a path of least resistance. There's a better way, a fun way, a more way that's you, a way that you can accomplish your dreams, your goals, and you can only do that if you stop struggling and start enjoying the process. Give up. If something is difficult, you're not doing it right. If something's not fun, that's not the right way to do it. You're supposed to enjoy the process. There's nothing wrong with giving up. There's no shame in quitting. It might be the best thing possible. And from a motivational standpoint, I know this sounds like contradicting advice, but believe me, after maybe a month of soul searching and realizing and just finding myself and going through experiences, there's nothing wrong with saying, I need to backtrack a few steps. Maybe go back to the drawing board, find a new way. The dream might not be wrong, but maybe your plan could be. Your plan could be. It could use some tweaking, some adjusting, anything. Quit, but restart. And when I tell you to give up and it hurts, if it really hurts, then this is the right thing. This is your thing. Just attack it from a different angle. And when you quit and you feel relief, maybe it's not for you, but that just means you can do something else, something even better, something that's truly you, something that the world needs. And that's what the world needs: passionate people doing things they're passionate about. That's how you can change the world. So quit and see what you can do.